Hey, Day. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you right now. Oh, Taylor, talk to me. Nope. Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand. What are you doing? Don't talk to me. I've been shaking all morning. I've been shaking like a leaf all morning long. You over there? Hey, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Hey, you know what? I've been shaking like a leaf all morning. Shaking like a leaf. Hey, Mom! Mom! Just wanted to say hi this morning. And I've been shaking like a leaf. See you later. Peace out, Girl Scout. Have a good day at work, Mom. Love you, Mom. Love you, Mom. I'm like half out of it. I ate all my food, and then I laid around in my bed, and then KK got me up here, and she got me to talk to you, Mom. And I just want to say, hey, Sook. Hey, Sook. Love you, girl.